my channel #Shreya's Creativity. So I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So before we start, I want to say that do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated for more videos. But if you are not able to see my channel, then what you will do? You will go on YouTube, search #Shreya's Creativity, right like the same way I have written, and click on the search button, and you will be able to see my channel and my videos. So don't miss it to watch my videos and subscribe. Now, today's agenda. Let me take the laser point. So today's agenda. So the first agenda of the day is how to download fonts and how to change a normal font into a design font. Then the second agenda of the day is how to select more and more slides, designs, and basically design of the slides, how to select that and how to download it. The third agenda is how to change your Google page with your name on your Google basically. So these three are the agendas for today. So you can see that. So first is this, second is this, and fourth is, and third is this. So let's proceed. Now, first, link is in the description box for all specific activities and for exploring the site. Now, this is how all the three agenda of the day looks like. Now let's start. Okay. Yeah. So let's start. So first let me change this. Okay. Now, so the first agenda, I'll just show you the first agenda if you don't remember. So the first agenda was how to download fonts and how to change a normal font into a design font. So first I will tell you how to download different types of fonts in your PC. So for that you need to open your Chrome, then write. If you have now, after opening your Chrome, this is the first step, and then write DAFont.com. So click on the enter button and now you will reach the site like this. Now, so here you can see there are many different types of fonts, and you can see and download. Now where we now you will think from where we have to download. So suppose I take this jungle font, suppose the first font only, but before we download it, if you want many more, see there are only 4 to 5 fonts coming on your screen. If you want many more, then there will be an option all new fonts. Click on that and you will be taken to the as there are many, so you can go to so I am on first page, then you can go on second page, then third page. You can continue, and first I'll tell you how to download. So I am taking the second one, jungle font. So I'll just here you can see download option, then click on this. It's getting downloading, and now wait, yes, so it is downloaded. You can see now. Open your downloads and you can see it is downloaded and it has downloaded. And let's click on this. Why it's not happening? Yes. So when you click, you will come like this, your folder. So inside that folder, now when you will click that folder, like when you click this, then you will get a page like this. Okay, now you will see that here you can only see the fonts, but how to install. So on the top left corner you can see an option to install. So click on that. I'll just click. So let's switch. Wait. So it is downloaded. Now for checking that it is downloaded or it is working or not, take a PowerPoint presentation page. Suppose I'm taking a page and write. Suppose I write Shreya only. So I've taken another font. So when I write jungle, so you can see my jungle font is coming already. So let's click on enter button and see the font changes. So you can download different types of fonts like this. Okay. Now the second point in this agenda only was how to change a normal font. It was how to change a normal font into a design font. For that you need to after you do this, for that you need to go again to your Chrome, and now if you don't want to download any font, just directly want to copy your changing font. So what you have to write is change font changer, basically font changer. See, so click on that font changer. Now you will see that there are many types of sites. So only you will click on the first site, which is font changer online copy and paste. For copying and pasting, you can select the first site. So let's yes. Now so let's type any text. Suppose I want to type Shreya. You can enter your that specific text. Now you can see types of text, types of fonts they are coming. So like this or this or this. So I want to select this font, basically this font. So you can copy this. Suppose I want this, and let's go to PowerPoint and go and write and it will be copied and pasted. So this is how you want to copy and paste. You can do like that. You can use, if you want to copy and paste, you can use font changer. If you want to allow the fonts to be forever, so you need to download the fonts by the font.com. So this is how our first agenda of the day completes, and I told you. Now we will go to our second agenda, which is how to select more and more slides design. So basically, again you have to go to your Chrome and write slidesgo.com. It will take you site, and for that first you need to sign in with your Google account or whichever you want to sign in with. For that I am already signed in with my account. Now from here you can I told you in my last video what is premium. So if you remember that what is premium, please do comment what is premium. I just want to check that did you got what is premium or not. Please do comment what is premium. And now let's come to the main topic. So from here you can see that I make different slides, and these slides design are not available on PowerPoint because few designs are available and simple on PowerPoint. So you think many people say that from where you got these slides design and where you make from. So I just go on Slidesgo. I select a template of my choice, and there will be an option download this template, whether on Google Slides or whether on PowerPoint. So I will click on PowerPoint because I want to install this template, and we'll click on PowerPoint. It will load, and you can see, wait, just it's loading. See, it is downloading. You can see here. So let's open this in PowerPoint. Let's try it will open or not. So first you need to go on open, then go to browse, and then click on your presentation, the template name. So this is Classic Wedding by Slidesgo. Click on open button, and here you can see your page. Now you will see that how to edit this. So there will be an option of enable editing. You can see here, click on that and you can edit. Now you can edit from your like what you need to edit, and you can edit from here. And you can save the same formula, you know how to save and all, so that I'm not explaining. And now, so here our second agenda also completes. Now the last but not the least, the third agenda comes how to change your Google page with your name. Now this is very important agenda. So as you can see, I have already changed my Google page where you can see good evening Shreya. Like you will think how I did. So I'm not telling, I'm telling, but in my other Google account. So in this I have not done. So let's try in this one. So for that you need to go on your web store. Click on your web store and go and write in the search store, write Momentum. I will give you the link in the chat box, all the information in the chat box. Now you will click the I'll just tell you this. Now you will click it's not reading. Now you will click the first one, this Momentum. Okay. Now click on this. Click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Now it will be adding. Now you can see it is downloaded. Now see, it will automatically give you the option to download, and it will come like change it back. If you want to keep like that only you can, but I want to keep it. So hello, what's your name? So I'm trying with my mom's account, so this is Sonia, and I'm not writing my name. And what's your email, Sonia? So you will write your email, okay, whatever the email will be, then you will write, okay. It will ask many of questions, and then you want to click, you have to click on that. So I'll just write it. Loading. Now please choose a password. You have to enter your password, okay, your new password, or you can say the account password. So I'm just writing. So here I'm done with this. So it's loading. I have written the password. Taking time, it will take some time, Welcome to Momentum, Sonia. Click on the next button, then again next, then again next. Then click on the done button, and it will come like this. So it's done, and it will show you good evening, Sonia, or what is your main focus for today. So you can write your main focus for today, and you can search the degree, like what's the weather today, and from here only. So there are many options like this, and this was the third agenda of my video. So I completed my all agendas for the day, and this was the video, and as I showed, it looks like this only. So here you go, and our video and our agenda is completed. Now I just want to say one thing. If you will try these three, like whatever I have taught you in today's video, whatever I have taught, if you will try in your Chrome and fonts and all, so it is, it looks better and it looks nice in your Chrome also, and in and for changing your fonts also. So I would say must try, and yeah, this much only must try. And the main thing is, if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel first, like, then share, and also comment what is premium, okay? And subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated for more videos. Also, I forgot to tell you something. Like when you are, watching the downloading the templates of Slide.go, I'll just show you. And so there are, many templates of premium. See, so there is written free premium. So free premium, matlab you can, download, but there will be an option for, suppose I just search for a premium one to tell you. Now here you can see premium. So premium means to pay. So first tell me what is premium in the comment box. Then think about it, and don't pay for this template because it's premium, and this then you have to pay. It's your choice. You have to pay. Then if you want this template, you want to pay. If you don't want this template, then you can select the free premium one templates. So there are only few premium templates, but many are free. So this was my main point to tell you all. And please like, share, comment the question which I have asked, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay happy, and stay safe. Bye.